How you can earn money as a student. 5 freelancing sites for beginners 2024. Looking to earn money as a student? Here are 5 top freelancing sites to help you start earning today. 1. Upwork. Upwork offers a wide range of jobs like writing, design, and programming. Create a profile, bid on projects, and build your reputation for steady work. 2. Fiverr. On Fiverr, you can offer services called gigs starting at $5. Whether it's design, video editing, or social media, students can easily create gigs and earn flexible income. 3. Freelancer. Freelancer lets you bid on thousands of projects. Start small, build your skills, and grow your freelance career while balancing your studies. 4. People per hour. People per hour is great for finding hourly-based gigs in areas like writing and design. It offers flexibility, allowing you to work around your schedule. 5. TopTel. TopTel connects skilled freelancers with high-paying clients. It's more selective, but if you have specialized skills, it's a great way to earn more as a student. Finally, freelancing on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer gives you the flexibility to earn while you study. Start small and grow your freelance income in 2024.